Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Nestled in the heart of East Central Alberta lies the quaint village of Amisk, home to just over 200 residents. About 50 kilometers from the bustling town of Wainwright, Amisk offers a serene escape from the pace of urban life. The name Amisk comes from the Cree word for beaver, a nod to the natural beauty that surrounds this little gem. In 1906, Canadian Pacific Railway surveyed the area, laying the foundation for a community that would soon welcome settlers from the United States, Scandinavia, and Great Britain. The village's story is one of hard work and perseverance. By 1907, the first general store was up and running, serving as a hub for the growing community. Education quickly became a priority with the establishment of a school in 1916, ensuring that the children of Amisk had access to learning and opportunities. A particularly notable point of pride for Amisk is its public library. Known as the oldest registered public library in rural Alberta, it has been a cornerstone for knowledge and connection within the village. This library has weathered the years, standing as a testament to the enduring spirit of Amisk's residents. The village streets bear the mark of Charlie Phipps, a stonemason from Ontario, who named them during the original survey in 1906. Strolling through Amisk, you can feel the echoes of its history in the street names and the welcoming community that calls this village home. In Amisk, every corner tells a story, from its early days of pioneering settlers to its present-day charm. Amisk is a village where history is not just preserved, but celebrated. It's a place where simplicity meets richness, offering a glimpse into the roots of rural Alberta. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did. Feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think might enjoy it. And remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.